5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have engine ignition.
Engine start and liftoff. The SS Kalpana Chawla takes flight, sights set on the International Space Station.
NASA just sent a brand new $23 million worth of toilet to ISS in October. The toilet is called Universal Waste Management System, or UWMS. Again, why is it worth of $23 million? Because it's a space toilet. But why they need to send a new toilet now? Was the first one broken? Space toilets are fundamentally different than the regular ones, because the regular toilets works on the principle of gravity, and space simply doesn't have the gravity, which means any fluid or solid once landed in space just continue to flow. And you don't want your business to be flying around in your working area, right? For that, they use a special suction mechanism in space toilet, which prevents the stuff flying around everywhere. Initially, space toilets were designed considering that only male astronauts will use them. But later on, when female astronauts also joined the mission, they had to make few modifications on the existing model. But the problem with that is, we can't keep using the same model forever, because your mission requirements gets changed over time. Now, NASA is planning for their Artemis Moon Mission, which will take place somewhere in 2024, in which they will not be just landing on the moon, but also will be attempting to have first ever human colony built over there. And what we need to have a colony outside Earth? A base station. And a toilet is one of the most important parts in any interstellar base. Which is why NASA built 2 toilets with $23 million, one out of which is already sent to ISS on 5th of October 2020, and the other one will be sent in Artemis Moon Mission. NASA astronaut Chris Cassidy will install the new toilet soon on International Space Station with his Russian colleagues. So, what's new in the new toilet? As I said earlier, the initial designs were prepared by considering that only male astronauts will use them. But this one is better designed to accommodate female anatomy as well. With new toilet, astronauts will be able to do both their number 1 and number 2 business together. Yeah, it's definitely hard to relax when you are an astronaut. NASA engineers designed a campus-sized toilet that is roughly 65% smaller and 40% lighter than the one which is currently in use. This will help NASA to have more space and energy on a spacecraft, which is the most premium thing you can ever have on any spaceship. This toilet will also be automatic, with a built-in system that pre-treats the urine before it's sent to recycling unit. The current toilet requires astronauts to flip the switch to activate it. But with a new toilet, fan will automatically comes on when astronauts either remove the funnel from its cradle or just lifts the lid. This new toilet is definitely not a luxurious one, but it will be surely easy for our astronauts to use. So if you have ever dreamed of becoming an astronaut someday, you better start working on your bowel movements from now on, as the faulty stomach is the last thing you will ever want in a spaceship, only after a nauseating sickness. I hope you learned a lot today about a day in the life of astronauts. And if you enjoyed it, just give us a huge thumbs up. And if you want more such interesting information, then please do consider subscribing our channel. With this, I'll start working on my bowel movements. See you in the next one.